Sometimes we need to insert population pyramid in Excel or the chart on which we compare two values. The one part of the chart is on the left side and the other part is on the right side. So we have to insert proper chart to create something like population pyramid. And I'm using data from Poland because I'm Excel lover from Poland. And we have to have one part of our values negative. So it will go on the left side of the chart. To do it, we can write -1 in a cell, copy it, and select all values we want to change the sign, and then using paste special option, so using shortcut Ctrl-Alt-V, we want to in paste special window select values and then multiply. So we are multiplying -1 with each value in select range. Press OK. Now we have negative and positive, so left side and right side of the chart. And now we can insert charts. So select just one cell here, it's enough. Insert tab, and we want to find simple bar chart, clustered bars. And we have chart, but it's not good enough for us. The first modification will be changing the title. So we want just write population pyramid and enter. Okay, the second, I want to modify bars. So select, click once, Ctrl-1 shortcut, and there should be window on the right side. I will move it a bit to the left. So the first thing, series overlap, we have to have it at 100%. Now bars are on the same height. Then we want to change gap width. I like here for this chart set it as 10%. Now we have larger bars and I like it. The next thing is vertical axis, Ctrl-1, so click once this and Ctrl-1. I want to move it to the left side, so in labels tab I want to select labels position as low, in our case is left side, and I will also specify interval unit to 1, so I want all age groups to be shown, and just like that. Okay, I'm thinking the larger chart, I still need a bit higher chart. Okay, and I don't like those vertical lines, so I just one click, select them and delete to delete them. Okay, so next is our horizontal axis, so values, percent values. I don't want any negative signs and no minus, so just select it, Ctrl-1, and I need to go to numbers. So in format code we have to repeat percent code for the negative values, so semicolon, then 0.00% without any minus sign, and then press OK. And just like that we have positive values on the left side and on the right side on the chart. The one thing more I want to have data labels, so just select plus sign and here data labels. Oh, okay, but I select one series, so just select, click on the chart, so we will add series to the both sides, and the default option is correct for us, so just select data labels, and those labels are too big, the font is too big, so just select one part, home tab, and here we can change font size. The simplest way for me, just make it small. Okay, I like it this way. And the last part I want to change, oh yeah, there is also minus sign on the left side, so once again Ctrl-1, let's turn this off, and numbers just once again, don't think with source. Okay, so percentage, I need those percentage once again. So percentage for the positive side and semicolon, and percentages for negative side without minus sign. Okay, press add again, similar or even identical as for the horizontal axis, and now we have also positive values here. And the last part, I want to change position of legend. So if I select legend, press Ctrl 1, it should be shown that we can put our legend on the top, on the left, right side, or you can even have top right position. The size of this legend is the best for me, but Ctrl Z, I want to move it freely by myself. So let's close this window and just drag our legend, make it higher and make it smaller. Okay, so it's fine for me, and I now can even make plot area a bit higher because I move legend by hand manually. So now I'm happy with my chart. If you want, you can add even more modification for it, but in a sense it's population pyramid for Poland.